If you're struggling to find an accessible walk for those with wheelchairs or similar, then the Red Moss Nature Reserve in the Pentlands may be ideal. To get to this walk, first park in the Thrypmuir Reservoir car park. It's then only a short distance along the road before you see this sign for the nature reserve. From here, it's a raised circular boardwalk around beautiful Scottish peatland habitat. You'll see pink-purple heather, sundews, ragged robin, and various mosses. The best time to visit is between May and August, where you'll see wonderful dragonflies and maybe even a frog or toad. You can find a link to the official website in the description below. We hope you enjoy your visit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to enjoy more videos like this. But, for now that's all, so goodbye and see you next time.